Well, we got the very last load of paver stones loaded up. These suckers are heavy. I built this sidewalk probably 33 years ago. It was all out of these paver stones. We had it redone with granite and paver stones. So now we got, oh God, probably got over 100 of these paver stones left. And we're closing on our house tomorrow, so this is the very last load. Behind the shop I put a thing for a trailer or a motor home eventually, but it's all full of this crap now, so have to clear out a spot way in the back excuse me, and I want to build a big huge patio where we can put a swing and chairs in the center of the fire pit. So we're going to put all these in the very back. God, it's going to take a long time because I got to clear the back acre out first, because it's cleared out towards the house, but way back it's, oh God, I'm just going to hire somebody to do it, because I got some big huge cedar trees that I want to get rid of. So gotta go for a ride today. Heading up early in the morning to go drive up to do the house. We just haven't even taken the furniture up there yet, because we have to use our furniture to stage this house, which kind of sucks. But we were at Best Buy yesterday. They actually sell, they got a store inside Best Buy that sells that, oh, what do you call it, love sack furniture. My wife loves that love sack, so she ordered or she's getting a great big one, the sectional. You can just kind of put them all around the room. But I went there and I was looking at TVs, but I actually went there and I think, oh my God, these young guys, they say, what music you like listening to? And I said, well, Journey. And they played Journey. And the furniture, there's a subwoofer underneath one of the cushions. There's speakers on all arms and all the back rest of the couch. And it comes with a front sound bar. But I was sitting on the couch and I'm thinking, oh my God, this sounds fantastic. So I'm there. I said, we got to get it. You know, it's an extra, God, I don't know, several $1,000s more. But I told my wife, you know, I told the guys, like, we got to have it. I can't just get that couch without that. The couch, you sit on the couch, you can feel the sub underneath your butt. And you can, it's just like a total surround. Oh, Lord. Total surround sound in the couch, which is incredible. Jesus, I can get killed on this road. These people just, traffic never stops. So anyway, we should have that being delivered, oh, I don't know, in about a week. Got to go up there tomorrow. We'll close. Then I have an epoxy company coming to epoxy all 3 car garages and my shop. So I'm going to have all the floors epoxied with them flex biscuit. So I got that coming Tuesday. And then we got to go. We're not going to be able to move yet. We're just going to spend the night, Monday night, at the house, because we got an air mattress. But we can't move yet because we got to sell our house so we can empty it. That's kind of sucks. I think people would rather look at a house empty so they can picture their own furniture in it. But apparently we can't take anything out. We can take some dressers. We got to leave the beds, and you know, it's just, and all the furniture downstairs, the dining room, kitchenette, all the tables, we got to leave them in there so people can see what it looks like, which is, I'd rather just get it the hell out of there and let them sell it and leave it empty. That's making it inconvenient for us. Oh my Lord, this traffic is terrible. Bye. It's Sunday and this traffic is absolutely horrible. I went to Harbor Freight to get another nozzle to air up tires because the yellow one just kind of let the air out. Even the air just turned on the air and just blows it right out, so I got a new one. And I can't believe it's like the traffic on a Sunday. I thought it was rush hour on any weekday. It's just terrible. I can't wait to get the hell out of here. Here's a guy running the light. Crystal Falls, this used to be a little bitty county road when I built my house. There was not a car on it. I could leapfrog a couple cars home when I had 2 flats. And I think my wife might have been pregnant or whatever, so she couldn't do it. But this used to be an itty bitty county road. Now there's so many people living here now. It's just like, Lord, it's just so much traffic. But it's going to help sell our house. Unbelievable how much our house is worth. I look at a Z estimate and I say, oh my Lord, I can't believe we could actually sell our house and almost pay for the new place that's on 2 acres. But we got a lot of upgrades. Circle drive, a lot more concrete, landscaping, so we're going to have to pay write checks for all that stuff. We're only doing a closing on the actual home tomorrow and the property, but none of the add-on stuff. But it'll be great to finally get moved. We got 2 storage units full up there now, and now we gotta, I don't know how I'm gonna get my furniture, the dressers down from upstairs. I'm 63, my wife's 60, and I don't know how we're gonna do it with just ourselves. We do pretty good so far. We lug a lot of concrete and get everything moved up there between ourselves. But oh my Lord, it's a lot of work. I'll never move again. I never thought I'd move this time. Bye.